Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new SLX 290 Sea Ray Outboard. This boat is absolutely beautiful. No other word to describe it. Phenomenal running, phenomenal riding, powered by twin Mercury 4-strokes. Boat's configured very nicely, has a removable cockpit table. This boat does have the ski tow arch bimini top combination, and that top does fold down, so if you have a clearance issue with height in your garage or at a marina, it can be lowered. Bow section, absolutely beautiful, very comfortable. There's also a table that goes in the front. It's not there at the moment, but very well configured. The helm in this boat, fantastic. A little difficult to see, but it has a SIMRAD display unit with GPS and your gauges for your instruments and whatnot in it. Mercury digital controls, phenomenal sounding stereo, very comfortable to drive when you're there in that helm's area. This boat has a proper marine toilet and a small sink area with storage. Really great room for this size of a boat, I'll tell you. Now this boat's configured with a very nice setup on the passenger side. It has what looks like a conventional seat. The front of it does flip up as a bolster so that you can stand here. And then the other thing this seat does that's unique, it flips the opposite direction and gives you a big sun lounger. Lots of room for sitting, laying out, going to the sandbar, dinner cruises. Very, very, very comfortable. The helm seat for the driver, also same configuration. Has the bolster that flips up so you can stand to drive, or you can pull the bolster down and it's very comfortable to sit here and be the captain of the boat. Alright, for more information on this boat or to get out and take a ride, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.